guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make banana bread. It's very easy and simple and you only need a few ingredients, so let's get started. So you'll need 1 stick of butter, which is creamed, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of roasted nuts and coconut if you like, 1.5 cups of flour, half a cup of sour cream, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 3 ripe bananas, and you'll also need some vanilla extract. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to cream your butter. And then what you're going to do is you're going to add in your sugar and you're going to cream those together. Sugar is creamed together, and this is what it should look like. So now we're going to add in our mashed bananas, and you want the bananas to be extra ripe because then only you can get the sweetness from it. So let's add in our bananas. And then once you have added in those, you will mix your batter again until it's all combined. Our mashed bananas are added into our mixture. This is what it looks like. So then you're going to crack 2 eggs, and you're going to add them in one at a time, and then mix it up. These eggs are large eggs. Okay, and then you're going to add in your second one. Then you're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then you're going to mix it. Mix in your vanilla, you're going to add half a cup of sour cream. Okay, and then you're going to mix it in. Wet mixture is ready, we're going to move on to the dry one. So for this, you are going to need your nuts and your flour, and you're going to take 1 spoonful and mix it in with the nuts. Okay, so now the nuts are ready. So now with your flour, you are going to add half a teaspoon of salt. You're going to also need a teaspoon of baking soda. You'll need 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And then you will need 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon if you want. It's totally optional. Okay, and then what you're going to do is you're going to mix it up until it's all combined, and then you will have your dry ingredient mixture ready. And there we go. Both mixtures are ready. We are going to start adding our dry ingredients to our wet. So you're just going to take a little bit at a time and keep mixing it in. incorporated. The only thing left is the nuts. So we're just going to put them all in and fold them into the rest of the batter. Remember that any topping that we use is just what we're using. You can add whatever you want, like chocolate chips, raisins, whatever you like.